Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called The Best Egg, written by Jane Finch, illustrated by Jack Foster. They're picking on Billy again. She was wait, what? So I'm sorry that this is only the 5th book. I couldn't find the first book, so I'm going to be, this is a continued book. Okay. They're picking on Billy again. She was nesting, trying to lay. When they all gathered all around her, "Call that an egg," they say. They peck her as she covers her eyes and all glazed and wide. So finally, I've had enough, and I chased them all outside. Now leave her alone, I say to them. As they all look docile and kind, they peck around all innocent, no bullying their mind. I'll wait till Billy comes inside. Then the others rush in to look. The egg is large and glistening, and Billy is one proud chook. I noticed I'll let her stay with them, at least for a little while. This is book 1, this is book 2, this is book 3, and this is book 4, and this is book 5. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up. I will see you in our next video. Bye!